Hi, today we're going to understand how you can completely automate the process of generating a PDF file out of this simple Google document. So in this example, we are going to talk about Employee of the Month certificate. So if you are generating Employee of the Month certificates for your business and you want to use a particular template file with the help of a database and generate the PDF files on automation, then this video will be for you. So as you can see, this is a Google document where I have created an employee for the month certificate. And basically I have created certain elements which have been put inside double curly brackets on both the side. Like we have the employee name, the day on which the certificate is given, the month, the year, the company name, and so on. All these are the exact specific fields which will be fetched from a database which we have created in Notion, and we will automate the process and generate three PDF file out of this. So basically what it will do is it will read the database one by one for every row, and with the help of this template file it will automate the process and create a PDF file for us. So the employee name, it will fetch from here and it will replace this value. Similarly, the day, month, year, all these fields will be fetched from here and it will be replaced onto this document and a PDF file will be created. So whatever field you want to automate, simply put it inside double curly brackets on both the side and use the exact same field in a Notion database and the automation will run smoothly. So first of all, we need to head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the site which will help us automate the entire process. Once you are here, quickly click on get started and simply choose your account. So I'll continue with Google and I will choose one of the accounts which I'm going to use to start the automation process. So I'm going to quickly sign in with one of my accounts. And once you are signing in, make sure you're giving in all the access whatever is required for this purpose. And when you will be signed in, you will see a screen something like this where you need to authenticate and get started. Okay, so first is we need to connect this database. So for this we will require to create a connection with the Google document. So click on connect Google Docs and choose the particular account where the document is located. So I'm going to select this account where the document is located. Once you select, click on continue, and here it is asking for a permission to use in order for this to work. Make sure you click on this and give the permission and click on continue. So your Google account is connected, and next is we need to connect the Notion account. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the employee of the month database, so I'm going to use this database for the automation. So click on connect Notion and it will pop up this screen where you need to connect a Notion account. So just wait as it starts loading all the files, and once the setup is loaded up, you can click on select pages, and inside this you can enter the database value. Okay, so I'll just copy this database name. So I'll copy the entire database value. I'll put it inside this pop-up. Okay, so I'll just open up that pop-up, put it inside this. It will automatically show you the database. Okay, select the database and you can see that the database has been added. Let me remove the other ones which were already added. So I've already given access to the employee of the month database. Scroll down, click on allow access. So once you finish these two steps, it asks you to select the template as well as the database. Click on select template and you can see browse template coming up over here. Click on this and simply copy this entire name of the Google document. So I'll copy the name, put the name inside this search box and search for it. Okay. So you can see the certificate name coming here. Click on this, click on select, and you will be able to see the document loaded up. Click on this and click on use this template. Okay, so we have added the particular Google Doc. Next is we need to add the database. Click on select database and you will be able to see all the database that you would have added up earlier. Click on this, it will automatically take you to the export section where you can start exporting the files. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds as it starts mapping everything, and you can see it has already mapped all the placeholders. Okay, so basically we have created these placeholders over here. It has gone ahead and quickly mapped the same. Okay, so if you click on show preview, you can see all the placeholders. So these are the Google document placeholders. These are the exact columns which we had created in Notion database. Okay, so it has quickly mapped all the files for us. Click on generate three documents. Okay, as we have three rows of data, so we can generate the three files. So just wait for a few seconds as it is downloading the files for us, and once it is downloaded you can start viewing the files. So you can see three files have been finished for the processing part, and now it will download the files. So you can see the files have been downloaded as a zip file. Let me open up the file and let me quickly delete the other one which we not need. So this is the document which has been exported. Let me open it up. So let me open up the first document. So this is for Mr. Naman. As you can see, if you check the database, we have Mr. Naman over here, and the relevant details have been shown. So awarded on 13th of December 2025. So if you see 13th of December 2025, and then presented by, so this is the company name, Cerisol Limited, which is shown over here. Then all the other details are shown over here. Okay, so basically what it did was it read the information from the database, it replaced the value of every placeholder from the database, and it created a PDF file out of that. Let's check the second document. This is for Mrs. Ragini, and the final file which we have over here, this is for Mr. Ramesh. So it just created all the automation quickly, and it presented everything for us. Okay, this is how easy it is to use PDF output. Simply connect all the documents for your use case and the database for your requirement, and simply generate the PDF file. Okay, so one more thing I want to highlight is that if you're using a relational property in the database, make sure you're adding the same database while you're setting up over here. Okay, so if I refresh this, whenever you want to add the database, so you can click on disconnect. If you want to add more database, click on connect notion, and make sure all the relevant databases, that is the relational database as well as the primary database, both the databases are connected over here in this setup file. Okay, so you can just click on select pages as it loads, and you can obviously add all the databases which are connected with the main database, and then it will work. Okay, this is for the relational property which is being used. But I hope this demonstration was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can assist you or help you with any of the queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.